Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on FFAI, Faraday Future guys. It's not FFIE anymore, so we have a new ticker symbol. And I want to give you a short squeeze update here. Yes guys, we still have here short squeeze potential, and I mentioned that here since a couple of weeks that we have a very strong support zone here for FFIE, and as you can see guys, FFAI, I'm sorry, and as you can see while I'm doing this video here right now, we start to gapping up and we have here some open business in the chart which we have to fulfill. So I give you now all the updated price levels. If you have seen my previous videos, nothing changed guys. I never change or adjust here the price targets, and everything of course what I say here is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah guys, the market was on shaky legs. We had here the situation that we could see a potential market sell-off, aka a bear market, but the bulls took over guys. Yeah, I made a brand new update yesterday on the S&P 500 where I also explained what the market is doing right now. We had yesterday some massive short squeezes, 700% squeeze in one day, and also last week, because this is here one of my missions guys to predict short squeezes. We had here 4 big squeezes in 1 week between 100 and 322%. So what I do, same now here for Faraday Future of course, but I have a lot of other short squeeze plays in my pocket which I present here on Patreon. And this is just one example what happened last week, where I said to my members that this here is the stop loss level. We have here a buying liquidity zone. This is just a snapshot guys, you don't see here all the details, and I also mentioned where the last exit is waiting, and you can see that was on the dot guys. Yeah, 322% after I posted this on Patreon here, 1, 2, 3 days, and then we had a 22% short squeeze guys. The other one was, this was here on Friday last week, also 158%, also here one of my Patreon members squeeze stocks. This was the day when I posted this, also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and then in the same week we had a 158% squeeze. Also the price level here which I mentioned, the support level, was in. So guys, if you want to see these secret short squeeze stocks before we continue here with Faraday Future, you can join us here of course. Our trading community is growing really quick, and the Patreon membership is the full package here is what I recommend guys. This is for beginners and advanced traders, the best thing what I can offer to you. You also get access here to my trading tutorials and the member FAQ section, so I answer here a lot of questions about trading guys, and of course you get access to all my short squeeze stocks. So the link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description. So guys, I am not surprised by the price action here from Faraday Future. That was more or less very predictable that we should see here a squeeze. The market makers can create these kind of shakeouts, but for Faraday Future, I'm trading this stock guys since a couple of years, and also before we had this 10,000% short squeeze. Now of course everything is split adjusted, but this ticker is so predictable in what it's doing next, so that's why it makes it so nice to trade. And even if you don't in this play yet guys, keep this on your radar. We have here very nice squeeze potential. Even a lot of delusion here is maybe coming up. So now let's talk about the price levels. This is what we have guys, and nothing changed here. The price liquidity zone, or the algo demand liquidity zone for Faraday Future, or let's call it in simple words, the strongest support which we have is $1.25. I mentioned that over and over again that we have some support here. Support was confirmed here, and we squeezed, we came back down, we squeezed again, and we coming back down, and you can see that we start to pump again. Why is that? Because we have some unfinished business here in the chart for Faraday Future. One of the price goals which we have, and that I said that in my previous video, for swing traders here, if you just want to trade a Mickey Mouse squeeze, $1.57 is one of the open gaps which needs to get filled. When I say needs to get filled, that means that the chance that we fill this gap is about 90%, and you can see that is a squeeze potential here of 32%. So that's why I said for swing traders, very easy play, simple to do, and I mean 30% profits here in just a couple of days. This was, by the way, here the day when I released my last video here, 18th of March. That is a nice profit, guys, and it seems that Faraday Future will close this open gap here again today. But if we start to squeeze in the pre-market, yeah, when we keep the price here in that range, guys, that will mean that we will create a new open down gap here. I just draw it very quick for you that you see that, guys. So when this stock starts to trade here at this price today, That means we will leave an potential open gap. We don't know if the pre-market starts like that or not, but a potential open gap at $1.42. So be careful with FOMO, guys. Yes, of course, Faraday Future can squeeze much higher. We had the same here. The ticker started to pump, gapped up, and you can see, boom, we had this massive squeeze here. And as I said before, the lowest price goal which I have here for a normal algo squeeze, so when we see something like this, yeah, sell-off, this is here $2.39, guys. This is the price goal which I have, which I calculated, which Faraday Future has to close, yeah, in order to fulfill the algos, guys. Yeah, so the total squeeze range for a Mickey Mouse squeeze, guys, I'm not talking here about a short squeeze. Total range of a Mickey Mouse squeeze is almost on the dot, 100%. So now the short squeeze scenario, guys. Yeah, we have the next squeeze trigger price level for Faraday is here, $2.15. So no matter what happened today, guys, if we gap up or not, if we close above $2.15 with volume, so if we see here a huge volume candle coming maybe today, yeah, yesterday we had here 9.1 million volume. This is not enough, guys. We need here 50, 60, 17 million volume. You can see this squeeze here, this squeeze candle was 159 million volume. You can see that here in the corner of the TradingView window, guys. This is what we need. If you can really squeeze with this kind of volume over $2.15, the higher the better, guys. Then we have here a next short squeeze potential for Faraday Future. And then we talk here about the lowest price levels. Yeah, this is still not a short squeeze, but this leads into a short squeeze, is here between $4, yeah, I would say even a little bit lower here, $4.20 and $3.47, guys. This is the next algo landing zone here for FFIE. So these are the normal short squeeze plays or the algo squeeze plays which we have. Yeah, we marked it here in red. Yeah, this box here is the price range which I expect, and that makes it here for, in total, when we measure this, guys, we have here a 258 squeeze potential. The market is in the position to do that. It would not surprise me if Faraday Future, yeah, does this kind of squeeze, but this is unfortunately, guys, not yet the big short squeeze. We have to break $3.47 if you want to see a short squeeze. This is the strongest liquidity zone which we have in favor for the bears, and if the volume is strong enough, you can see what the result can be. Then Faraday Future will go to the next price levels. And then, guys, yeah, there is no resistance. I mean, when we zoom out, there is no resistance in the chart. If we break this price level here, the next resistance is waiting here at $60. I don't want to create here FOMO, guys. I don't say Faraday Future squeezed to $60, yeah, but there is just no resistance. We have no resistance in the chart for Faraday Future when we can close over $3.47. And that's the thing, guys. Yeah, Faraday Future squeezed last year 10,000%. So we could see here another massive squeeze. But as I said, not before we break $3.47. Yeah, it's very simple like that, guys. It's a flat chart, easy to trade. And as I said, I personally would take my first profits here in this range, and latest here the next profits. Yeah, let's say I sell here more or less 70% of my positions, and I just would gamble with 30% of the positions here if we can close over $3.47 or not, guys. But make your own due diligence, guys. Yeah, we could see a massive short squeeze for Faraday Future. This is technically possible. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades, guys. And if you also want to get TradingView for yourself, maybe today, then you can use here my discount link, guys. This discount link is available in the video description here, $15 on the premium tier. This is what I recommend if you want to learn trading, guys. This is the way to do it. And of course, watch my videos to build up some knowledge, and yeah, join us on Patreon if you don't want to miss any short squeeze stocks and want to get access to my trading tutorials. So my friends, let's see how high we can squeeze. That was my update on Faraday Future. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support. Being that said, see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.